What if I told you that you could create a professional case coloring book without knowing how to draw a thing? Completely for free. Now, in this video, I am going to show you exactly how I did it using two free tools. Step by step, beginner friendly, no design experience needed. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will have your very coloring book ready to share, print, or even sell. Hi, welcome back to Denzi Media, your go-to channel for easy tech tutorials for beginners. I am Dennis, and today we are going to do something really fun and creative. I am going to walk you through how I created a full case coloring book using AI. And the best part, both tools are completely free. Now, let's get into it.
Now, the first site we are going to use is playground.com. This is a free AI image generator that will give you absolutely nice artworks that you can use in creating your coloring books. Go to playground.com and sign up for free.
Now, once you are in here, scroll down until you see coloring pages. Okay, coloring book pages, and double click to open. We have categories, we have template. You can decide to make your coloring book on this one: farm animals, vehicle art, garden life, and anything that you choose for yourself. And also, you have to identify the premium images. So these are premium images. We have free ones also there. So you have to choose your theme first. Now I am going to choose farm animals. We are going to use free images in this video. For the purpose of this video, I am going to choose farm animals as my category. Here are the images, but we are going to use free images to create our coloring book. So let me select the first image to be this one. Here is the secret. What you have to do first is anytime you have your outline or your image, you have to download it first. How are we going to download this image? Just go to the right top of your screen and click on export. Then now you'll be faced with the download window here. Just click on download as PNG. Then you can create your folder. You can create a folder on the desktop. Let me call it coloring book. Now I'll just save this image there. So now we have the outline of the image. And save it to your folder. Then you close it here. Now we are going to tell AI what it should do for us. Here we are going to prompt the AI to color this image for us. So just click here, then type colorize the image. Now after typing this, click on generate and let's wait for the magic. In some few seconds, the AI has colorized our image for us. So we have to download this image also by going to export. Then we click on download as PNG and save it inside the same folder. So now we have the color version and the outline version of our image. We'll continue this process until we are done with the number of pages that we want to create. So let me choose my second image. You can have similar template here. So if you want to change a different template, you can just click. Just keep repeating the procedure until you get the number of images you want for your coloring book. We go to the second part. Now, after generating all my images, and downloading them into one folder, just like I'm showing you here. After you have signed into Canva, click on Create a Design, scroll down, and click on Custom Size. Now you can search for the A4 size sheet or a letter sheet, since this is the printable coloring book size 4Ks. So I'll select this one, 21 by 27 centimeter. Now I'll go to Elements, then in the search bar, I'll type Basic Shapes. I'll come to Shapes, and I'll click on this square. Now I'll resize my square. And then I'll remove the inside color by clicking here. Then I'll give it the outline borders. I'll select this and I'll increase the outline width or the stroke. Right, so after having your first design, having our design like this, we have to import all our images into Canva, and then we arrange them. All that I have to do now is to click on duplicate. Then I'll have the duplicate version of this. So let's go back and import our images. To import your images, you come to upload, you click on upload files, then you go to where your folder is located and you double click. You have to select all your image by pressing shift on your keyboard. Then you select all your images and click on open. Now you have to wait patiently for all the images to upload to Canva. Then you now arrange them one after the other according to your preferences. Now when we come here, you see that all our images are now ready, and so we can start to arrange them. So I'll click on this one as my first image. Alright, so let me delete this one. Then I'll duplicate this one. Now I'll delete this image and I'll import the outline one. So this is basically the colored image and the outline image. So the child will look on the colors here and do the same on this one. We continue with this same process. So you just have to duplicate the pages, delete the image inside, and then you go to upload, and then you load the second image, arrange it, and then after you are done, you duplicate, you delete the image, then you bring the outline one, you make sure it is arranged well. So you continue with this procedure until you are done with all your images. After you have done with all the arrangements of your images, if you like, you can add text by going to text and then you select your text and then you type in whatever text you want. Right, I'm just trying to put something there for you to see that you can add text to your image. After you are done with all the editing, the next step is to remember to add your page numbers. Small details, but big professional difference. How do we do that? You come to text, you select your size of text, and you type your page number and arrange it. You can put at the bottom of your page. Now all that I have to do is to click and duplicate, bring to the next page, then double click, then type 2, duplicate, move to the next page, double click, and type 3, duplicate, move it to the next page, double click, and type 4, duplicate, move it to the next page, type 5. So now we have numbered all our pages from page 1 till page 6. When you are done all the designs and you are ready to print your book out, you have to click on share, scroll down, then click on download. Then you select the file type PDF print because this gives you a high quality file ready to print or upload anywhere. Then you click on download. You wait patiently for the file, then you save it into your folder. Now let's go into our folder and find the file. So this is our book ready to be printed. Here is where it gets exciting. What can you actually do with this coloring book? Option 1. Print it at home or at print shop and give it as a gift to children. Children love personalized coloring books. Option 2. You can share it as a free PDF. Post it on your Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups for parents to download for their kids. You can also post it on your social media. This is a great way to build an audience. Option number 3, sell it on Amazon KDP. You can upload and sell your book on Amazon KDP for free without printing or shipping anything. You can sell it as a physical book on Amazon or will be done by Amazon. If you want me to do a full video tutorial on that, put it in the comment section and I'll do a full tutorial on how to sell your books on Amazon KDP. Also make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss it. The point is, once you learn this skill, the possibilities are endless. And that is it. You just learn how to create kids coloring book from scratch using Canva and playground.com. Totally free. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss a video. Drop a comment. I would like to read your comment and know what you want next. Thank you.